Welcome back, YouTube Nation. I am your host with the mostest, Lil Buddha. And today we're going to be dropping some knowledge. Not really knowledge, but we're going to be dropping a little something on you. This whole fidget spinner thing that's been sweeping the nation. You know, I don't get it. I honestly, I got a couple fidget spinners, and they're just not that cool. I mean, they work for a little bit, then they kind of grow old. So anyway, without further ado, this video is we're going to jump into a handful of different skill toys that double as fidget toys. These are what I have right here, and that's why I decided to go that route. So, without further ado, we're going to start this off with the lamest of the lamest. You have these fidget spinners. I mean, not much to it. That's about it. I mean, yeah, that's not really much fun. So whatever. Next up, we have this handy dandy little remote here. It's got that right there. This kind of moves around here like this. Over here's got this little knobble. Then on the other side, it's got a couple of knobbles. Then here it's got a little joystick, little buttons. Now this gets annoying really quick. I tell you what, really quick it does get annoying. But if in a pinch, I guess it'll work in a pinch. So there's a little handheld mini controller. Next up, we're going to throw you off a little bit. It's not a skill toy, but it works great for fidgeting. And it's one of my favorite things. So are you ready for this? Dun, 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 dun. You know what this is? Ooh. Oh yeah. The one, the only silly putty. This is one of the favorite things. This works really good to loosen up your fingers. Fidget with, you know. So yeah. I you know, $2 store. $2. You can't go wrong with some silly putty. Next up, we have the Kendama. Now this is the Kendama USA Kaizencraft Ghost Black White. And she's been put through a lot of work. I've played Sweets as well. And one other one, I can't think of the name offhand. I tried it. I didn't actually get a chance to really jam it, you know, be serious and play it for an extended period of time. But so far, I really dig Kendama USA's Kendamas. So this other way, Kendama, great fidget toy, awesome. You can jam with it almost anywhere. Are you ready for the next one? This ain't really a fidget toy, but alright, this isn't really I don't know. Speed cube, Rubik's cube. So you know what? You want to enhance your mind? You want to have a little entertainment? $10. Walmart, baby. You might be finding them even cheaper on Amazon. I'm not 100% sure, but All I know is this is hard to figure out how to wrap my mind around. Algorithms, yeah, I haven't quite got that down yet. But this is awesome. I mean, hours of fun. Fairly inexpensive. All right, the next one. How many people know what this is? Spin top, baby. Oh, yeah. Great outdoor fun. Or a place without windows or breakables. Get one of these. I think about $5 or so on Yo-Yo Expert or, Yo-Yo Expert. I think you can log on to Yo-Yo Factory's website and order them there. But honestly, you know what? Get one of these. Go outside and play. Put down the devices and go enjoy the world around you. That's simple. That's simple. Next up, we have the numeral. One of the best fidget toys in the world. A yo-yo. Good for about any place you want to throw. I wouldn't suggest throwing with windows around and breakables. But outdoors, yeah, definitely outdoors. This is a one-drop benchmark. The one-drop 2016 benchmark W shape. Great throw. Yeah, another thing to pick up to get off your Rudy Poo candy ass and go outside. Yeah, you need to learn something. You need to have some enjoyment. Get up, go outside, put that device down. You in the back. I'm talking to you. And something that I have not seen in stores, but I picked up out of a random box. We're talking about Clicks Fidget Widget, baby. Look at that. Boom. And for all you out there, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Then smash that bell so you know when we drop a new video. And for all you out there in the nether realms of YouTube, head on over to our Snapchat and add us, and you can see our adventures of the Clicks OG Fidget Toy Adventures. So we're going to take us through your quick... is here. I mean, this is hours of fun. I mean, this is one of my pocket things right here. Right here. This goes with me everywhere. You can order it, as far as I've seen, you can order it through eBay, Walmart, and I think Amazon. Not 100% sure. I did see something on Amazon. So, go check it out. And while you're down there, go check out our social media pages. We are on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and any questions or emails down the very end of this, of all our stuff in the description box below. The little thing down there, go in there, check it out. Shoot us questions, inquiries. We're working on t-shirts right now, stickers, bunch of other crazy things going on right now. So, stay tuned to the next episode. Peace.